In this video tutorial, we now begin the process. Now that our blog posts are squared away, we now want to go to pages. We want to go to all pages, and we are going to create our home page content. Now, with the following several videos, the strategy we're going to take is certainly the most basic. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a home page, and then we will we took care of our blog post. We're going to set up our home page, and then we will quickly run through some options for the other pages. So with our home page, we want to click on edit. Now, before we get started with this, we've already shown you anyway how to create pages. We've shown you how to create blog posts. The strategy or the way to create content for a home page, an about us page, whatever have you, is the same as essentially blog post pages. By that we mean, and keeping in mind that the differences we shown you and told you about in the WordPress overview section, that blog posts are demonstrating your expertise, while pages express your brand message essentially. So with that, we always believe in teaching our students the most effective ways. If you want to create content on your home page, just simple writing for a simple 5-page website, that's great. Follow the same strategies, create it on a Word document that you did from your blog post, and copy and paste that in. The difference here is if you want to create content or written content for your website, introducing your brand message, you have to shift from the post mindset to saying, hey, this is our home page, or this is our value proposition, whatever that is. We don't want to go into that, but we have to tell you this, and keeping with the most basic principles of creating a WordPress website, video intros are, folks, we've been doing this for years. We will tell you this: video intros convert visitors into paying customers, or visitors into sales leads, or visitors into email marketing. Not that those are mutually exclusive, at a rate, according to our measurement, of 5-to-1. That means for written content, one customer may give you their opt-in email address, as opposed to having a video intro for your website. 5 customers, 7, 8 customers will give you that. So we are going to keep this homepage as clean as possible, and we'll put content on the other pages just to show you how to do it. However, with that said, we told you that they're kind of the text editor and these editing features, and now we'll kind of work with them. So what we do is we actually, and we just want to kind of put that out there, and we'll move on. You can actually have a professional website presenter for less than $100. And we will tell you this: every presenter we've ever used has literally increased our profit margins. Now, we're not guaranteeing certainly conversions here, but professional video presenters, and you can host that video on free websites like Vimeo and copy and paste. And we're going to show you how to do that right now, and just plug it into your homepage, about us page, whatever that is. Your blogs are going to supply the content you need to get great rankings, but you absolutely want to, and we will absolutely offer these services to you for next to nothing. You don't need to pay $200, $300 or more dollars for a professional presenter. Those things can be had for little as $99 and maybe even less. So we uploaded our homepage video to Vimeo. And we're going to go ahead, we'll click share. And once we do that, whether we strongly recommend you not use YouTube for video intros. The quality isn't great. Customers are going to have to switch the quality from 360, 480 up to 720. We strongly suggest, for video intros anyway, you use Vimeo. So we are going to go ahead and we copy this code, and we're going to go, if you copy an embed code, you automatically default to visual. But what you want to do is you want to click text. And once you click text, just basically copy in your code here. With that, once you've done that, there are a number of templates that you can use, which is a front page template, a full width template. We'll give you the look on each of those really quickly. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to update that page with our video intro, and then we will populate the page. So this is what the video looks like, just the basics. However, what we're going to do here is we're going to show you a little kind of thing you can do. So go ahead and backspace all of the code out. If you choose to use Vimeo, go ahead and backspace all of the code out up to your video ID number, which will be your 8-digit, 246 8-digit, whatever it assigns here. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to update that page. And once we update that page, you can go back to visual just to see where it's at. But we will go ahead and we'll refresh this page just to kind of get rid of some of the gobbledygook, and we absolutely did. But at the same time, what you can see is there are still these blog posts over here, and there's some other things going on. So what we want to do first, and we strongly suggest this, is you want to put in code that will center it. So there's two ways you could do it, and we'll just take the basic way actually, and we'll see how that works. So up on your editor, click the center button here, whether it's a headline, written headline you want to use or whatever. Just click the center line here and it will center. Your video will center. It'll update, and then we'll refresh the page really quickly. And now you see that the video is centered. Now, there's some other decisions you have to make. This is a kind of a lot of text here. So we'll go back to Vimeo, and we'll just really quickly dig into our video here. And what we will do is we will go to settings, and this is like a lot of text and it's really distracting. So what we will do is we'll just kind of put a period there, not understanding that this is not really for Vimeo marketing purposes. It's just to look good. And once you get that done, we'll refresh the video, and and what you see here is all of that text kind of has gone away from here. Now, what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to show you kind of how to take this video presentation to the next level with different styles of templates. Stay with us.